What's up, gang? That Bass Fishing Dude here, back again with another video in this month's Mystery Tackle Box Pro unboxing. If you're not familiar with MTB, Mystery Tackle Box is a subscription-based tackle company that you can get a box of bait sent to your door every single month. There's 3 tiers to this subscription. You got regular, pro, and elite. We ourselves are using the pro box. It's a multi-species type thing. You get to choose your species, choose your box type, pay your fee, and you get a box of baits to your door every single month. If you've never tried MTB or you're on the fence about giving MTB a shot, I've left a link down in my description with a code where you can save all the kind of money on getting your first box. You can get your very first box for $5 whole. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna flash that link up on the description. That code is gonna be TryMTB5 right there in the middle of the screen. If you take that over there, jump on that link that's in my bio, throw that code in there, you'll be able to get your first MTB box for as little as $5. So let's get this bad boy cracked open. Let's see what we got in the box this month. So, split it open. All right, first thing in the box, obviously, we got our dibble tips. That's gonna be the thing that's gonna show us what we're using every single month, how to use it, how to get on the water. We also got a super awesome Catch Co sticker, man. We love stickers over here. So, you know, that's going on the deep freezer. And then we got our card that shows us what's actually inside of the box this month. And it looks like we got some juice in here. We got a Bagley Balsa Wake, which is $10.99. That bad boy right there, crankbait right there. It's got a small square bill on it. Looks like that's gonna dive probably anywhere from 2 to 3 feet, which is gonna be perfect for some pond hopping, some places that aren't super deep. Get that around some structure, and that color on there is fire. That looks like Sexy Shad, one of our favorite colors, so you know how that goes. Next in the box, we got a Lunker Hunt Yappa frog. Man, we love throwing some frogs over here. So that bad boy right there has got a big old wake bill on the front of it. That's basically gonna spit off water on the front as it walks through the water, and it's gonna have a wobble as it goes. That right there is a solid frog. So we know that bad boy right there is gonna get in. We're probably gonna throw that out here today because we just saw a couple big bass over here swimming around, swirling on top. So we might be able to get something on that today. Next thing we got, oh man, we've been waiting for this bad boy right here to come out. Biospawn just dropped these bad boys right there, the EXO ribbon. We're getting ready to transition into fall from summer. So that bad boy right there, ribbon tail worms, any type of worm is really what's gonna be the juice right now as we roll into those fall months. That bad boy right there is gonna be money, and we're definitely gonna be tying that on. Probably first thing, be throwing that thing out there and see if we can get 8 on that. Next thing in the box, we got Big Bite Baits Cane Thumper. That right there is a swim bait. Look at that. So that's similar to a Kitech style bait, but that thing looks like it's got some juice on it, and that's in a watermelon red color. Actually, that's a green pumpkin. So yeah, that bad boy right there is gonna do some swimming in there. Probably throw that on a weighted belly hook. Maybe not even throw it on a weighted belly hook. Probably throw it on a weightless Texas rig and drag that through some grass. That thing's probably gonna get munched pretty quick. Then we got that good old fashioned Booyah bankroll jig, baby. We love throwing some jigs over here on the channel, so y'all know how that goes. We're definitely gonna be tying that bad boy on. This in my favorite color, black and blue. So we're gonna throw a really sick trailer on that and drag that thing and hop it along the bottom and see if we can get a monster on that one. And last but not least, the final thing, oh, actually we got 2 things left in the box. We got the Z-Man TRD Craws. Those bad boys right there. That thing is gonna pair perfect on a Ned rig, man. And it's made out of that Elastec, so you know that stuff is gonna last 1,000 years. You can probably get 3,000 fish on that thing before that thing starts to tear up. So yeah, that bad boy right there is definitely gonna be something that's gonna work really well on a Ned rig. Then we got our Mustad Ultralock light wire hooks. It looks like that's a, what is that, a 4/0 hook? EWG extra wide gap, so you already know how that goes. And yeah, man, we're gonna be tying up a lot of these plastics on that. Probably actually be tying these EXO ribbons up on a 3/0 Stickies worm hook because I just like the profile of that a little bit better. It's gonna keep it nice and flat. And yeah, man, so again, if you're on the fence about giving MTB a shot, trying MTB, check out that link in my bio and use that code that I flashed. I'll throw it up on the screen one more time, try MTB5. Throw that down in the apply coupon and get your first box for $5. And as always, man, let's go out here and let's slay some hogs on these brand new baits from MTB because we got a slam on the way, so let's get it. All right. Well, looks like I lost my tail, but this is the first bait out of our mystery tackle box this month. The Biospawn EXO ribbon. So we're gonna have to retie that. Not retie, but I'll have to put us a new one on here since that one decided to have the tail come off. So these things are brand spanking new for the fall right here. Bad boys right there. Something super juicy. color is red gill, I think is what it's called. But, yeah, I like to use it to keep this bobber stop right there. Basically, when we slide that up on that hook shank, we like to slide it over the top of that. That likes to keep the bait up on our hook. So we're throwing this weightless right now. No weight at all. You could throw this on here with an 1/8 ounce shot of tungsten, but we are not going to do that today. We are going to throw this thing completely weightless. Let's see if maybe we can catch some hanging out on those grass edges. So we just actually re-spooled this rod because this bad boy was so freaking screwed up. We were running out of line. And yeah, we're going to play straight across that tree right there, that shadow. Shade line right there is a perfect spot for him to be hanging out and hiding. And so let's see, maybe there's one chilling up in there somewhere. The tail is flicking real good. So let's see, let's give this a, there we go. Now we should be fine. My brakes on here since I went to a lighter line. There we go. First one. Oh, and that's a good one too. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good fish right there. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, that's a solid bucket right there, baby. Ooh, yes. That right there is a solid bucket. Right off the edge of that line, just like I said, there would be one in there. And sure enough, there was one in there. That right there, Biospon Exo ribbon right there we just got in our MTB box. Ooh, that eyeball looks disgusting. All right, let's get him back in the water. Back out. Down there. Now we got this paddle tail big bite lure swim bait. Let's give it a shot. Might work out perfect in this. This water's pretty clear. I don't have a weighted swim bait hook, so we're gonna throw this bad boy weightless again. And come right up through the back right there. Let that go in there to exposed. Same situation. All right. We had a big blow up right over there off that edge. Not sure, ooh, that was ugly. As it swims, it's actually kind of doing a little roll under the water, which is not necessarily what we wanted to do, but since we don't have the proper terminal tackle for this, it's kind of what we have to deal with. Probably gonna call it quits with this one. Don't look like without a weighted swim bait hook, this is gonna really work. Let's get his balsa wake. A roll. All right, balsa wake. That package is right over here. This Bagley balsa wake. This thing dives about 1 foot to 3 feet. And all right, let's slide down this way a little bit. Let's come over here and give this a shot on this side. Right over that space. That's a bass sitting right there. It's a good one too. Decent one. Nice spook. Oh, I see you. Trying to be sneaky down there. Boom, got him. Oh my goodness. Calm down. Calm down. Ah, chill, 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 chill. Be calm. Dang, these guys are skinny, man. What the heck is going on? It's fish number 2 right there. On that balsa wake. This guy is skinny, man. These guys are super unhealthy in here. I don't know if it's just because the weather's got them so screwed up or what. Well, that's fish number 2 on the MTB SLAM. So, let's get our next one right there. Oh, all right, let's go on our next bait. Ooh, let's use this this bankroll jig. Let's tie that on. Matter of fact, we're gonna tie that on to our frog rod right there. Untie that frog. Throw us a jig on there. And we're gonna use these Elastec crawls and put one of those on there. Not ideal for jigging, but we're gonna make it work. We're only running 17-pound fluoro on here, and typically I want to run at least 20 to 30-pound braid for jigs. But this is not a super heavy jig anyway. It's just, you know me, I like that heavy power behind everything so that I can wrench them around a little bit if I need to. It is what it is. Now these Elastec TRD crawls typically would go on a Ned rig, but we didn't get a Ned rig in this month's box, so we're actually going to throw one on this bankroll jig. This skirt is way too long, so we're probably going to have to trim that down a little bit as well. This is some good plastic, man. This stuff is so rubbery it barely even wants to go on here. Boom. Oh yeah, that's really good plastic. Ridiculous. All right, so that is obviously way too long of a skirt, so we don't have a knife. So we're gonna just break this stuff off around it like that with our hands. Just trim that skirt down a ways to make that a little bit more visible. That looks banging to me right there. So yeah, we're gonna take this bad boy and we're gonna hop this thing around in some rocks, some shallows, see if maybe we can find this one. Stay up and out of the view of things. Wow, whole school of them right there. Holy crap, it's a school of like 8 bass. Got him. Got him right there. Got him right there. Holy crap. Oh, heck yes. And that's a big too, baby. That's a good one. Bankroll in that TRD, baby. Right there. We caught a school of them coming through here, right on the edge of that grass line right there. And your big boy right there came out and had to bang that bad boy right there off the edge. Man, that's a solid freaking chunk. Look at that. It's a solid one right there, baby. Nice chunk. 2 pounds, 2.5. Good fish. Let's get it back out there. About your business, bro. So crazy. So crazy how these guys are schooling in here like that. I mean, that was literally a school of 6 bass, and they were all bigs. It was all about just who was gonna eat it first. I mean, and they all went after it. So they came schooling, patrolling through here right on this bank line, and we literally just put it right in front of them. Let it hit the bottom, gave it a few pops, and he smoked it, baby. That's what we came to do right there. Finishing out this MTB SLAM strong. Got a 2 for 1. Can't beat that right there. All right, guys, well, that's it. We came, we saw, we conquered. And if you've ever been on the fence about trying out Mystery Tackle Box, you know from this video right here that MTB absolutely catches fish. And you can get your box right now by using the code TRYMTB5 for $5. It's your first box for $5. But yeah, man, today's video was a success. So we are gonna call it quits for that. We're gonna get back to work. Let's go finish out this day. And yeah, man, get out there and slay some hogs. That Bass Fishing Dude out. Peace.